Just like the Nitro 2-week trial is happening, we are also getting another 1-month free Nitro from Best Buy, but before that, I run a server called Pixie. It has all the high-quality server decors and layouts you need. We even have different channels like banners, dividers, and so on. The server is highly advanced with all the new techniques and technologies and advanced verification system to keep our members safe. We also do Discord Nitro giveaways. My servers currently has over 11,000 members and they increase every day. If you want to join my server, go to any of my videos description, there you will find the invite link. You can join us to make friends, mental health, and for decors and layouts, or just come check us out. Okay, so Best Buy and Discord are collaborating and giving away free 1 month of Nitro. It has apparently started from November 6th. If you don't know what the Best Buy is, congrats. Even I didn't know. So to explain in an easy language, it's like Amazon but only sells electronics. Also, it seems like it's only in the US and Canada. So I clicked the US flag, and it took me here. And I guess you got a pretty good idea on what this is. So you have bought any electronic from Best Buy, you will be eligible for free 1 month Nitro with a lot of restrictions, of course, like your account should be new or hasn't had Nitro for 12 months and you need payment method and something like that. So if you bought anything from here, then it's good for you because you can claim your free 1 month Nitro, and if you not, then watch my 2-week free Nitro video so you can claim your free Nitro. Anyway, they didn't specify what product you need to buy specifically to be eligible, but I guess it's literally anything. Anyway, if you like the video, hit like and subscribe button and join my Discord server. The link is in the video's description.